Alright, so first thing I gotta do is get some life. I can't fight this nigga half dead. This part is not easy, man. See, it won't let me eat the dog food. What's up with that, yo? I pick it up and it's just gone. That's so fucked up. Where's me mallet? Man, this part is aggravating, yo. I'll bonk his ass. Come on, get out of there, run. How the music cut off. Oh, I see you, Eustace. Y'all, when I tell you this part was so hard before, I'm doing good this time. First run. First run, I'm about to, oh. He on my ass. He on my ass. Ooh, okay, bet. Did we get away? Did we get away? Yes. Oh, he's still coming, so I just gotta lap him. Just gotta lap him, then that's it. Come on, go. Yeah, I see you, motherfucker. I see them strings up there. Alright, bet. Yeah, I think we did it, y'all. We did it. No, that's not it. Damn, how many lives does this nigga have? Fuck. How many lives does this nigga have? They bonked this nigga like 4 times. Is he gone? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Alright, this should be the last bonk. About to bonk this nigga. Bonk this nigga. Yes! I did it, y'all. Yes. First run. That part was hard. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shit. This one I thought it was over. Oh, the nigga locked in on me, too. What's up? You ain't got nowhere to run now. Okay. Does he not attack? Do I have food now? Yo, I picked up food. Why won't it give me the food that I picked up? This nigga is crafty, little thing. Uh-huh. Don't bonk the funk out your ass. Yeah, you got a little soup to you. I already know what's... I just love that episode with the little puppy master. Laugh now, cry later. I just love that episode. Ace, that's me. Oh shit. He tweaking. What am I supposed to do with those glasses? I'm looking at it. Key. What am I supposed to do with this now? Uh-oh, I'm vulnerable. I'm vulnerable right now. Somebody that's attacked me, they're gonna get me. I feel like I'm supposed to do something with these glasses. And I know I am. These Muriel glasses. Am I tripping? Okay, nothing right now, I guess. Because everything I have has nothing to do with the... Okay. Check. Oh shit, it's the mole again. Oh no, that's the hunchback guy. I forgot about this nigga. I used to love this episode too, though. That was random. Now what? There was a flashlight, wasn't it? Oh, that was the demo. Yeah, in the demo they had a flashlight. Okay. Okay, I guess that's... I was supposed to fucking play with the hunchback guy. Eustace is still down there. Nothing still? Fuck it. I'm going outside. I got the key to the cellar. Yeah, the key goes to the cellar. I can already tell you that. That's the only thing that's locked. Quentin telling Teller in the cellar. Wood shop door. Oh, that door. Oh, I forgot about that door. What the hell was that? Lock cutters? Bolt cutters. I'm supposed to cut the door on the cellar door. What else has locks on it? Yep. Don't worry, Muriel. I'll save you. The things I do for love.
Hello.
Boys that hate this.
Excellent. Let's roll camera.
It's the mattress guy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This is going to be great.
He's gonna pop out the ground. Boy, that shit was scary as fuck in the episode. I gotta fight these niggas? That was it? Oh shit, somebody fucked the house up. Uh-oh. There's gonna be some shit. There's gonna be some shit. They're reaching for me. Oh, they got me. They're reaching for me. Oh, it's the big dog guy again. Bro, what the fuck do you want? Oh yeah, get his ass. Jacking him up. Yeah, see, that's the door I was talking about. He had plans for it. Oh, he beat up the... Bro, they didn't even give me a chance to run. That is some bullshit. They didn't even give me a chance to run. This nigga all wilted up. Computer! Computer, what do I do? Oh, I'm not supposed to go to the computer? Oh, he gonna get me, y'all. You know what? I got me mallet. Yeah, nigga. Big dog of the house. Where you at? Where you at? Get some. Bitch. Come on, Courage. Get him, Courage. Get him. Damn. Alright, so I'm not supposed to fight him. Am I supposed to go back in that room he came out of? I don't think there's nothing in there, but I'm gonna try. Let me hit the front door first. See, look, they're not gonna give me no chance to move. As soon as he get me. Oh no, I can go outside. Oh yeah, okay, just go outside. Fuck that nigga. Why'd I start here? Whoa. I went outside the front door and I came out the garage, the barn door. Beat his ass. That's funny. There's somebody walking around. Y'all hear that? I know the combination is 1963. This shit is not easy with this damn doggo. Like the mechanics behind it. Money, 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 money. Is that what he wants? Is that what he wants? Whole time the damn dog just wants some money. Why ain't giving him my damn money? I mean, if I have to, oh shit, this money falling out the bag. That's money falling out the bag. Look at that. You ever notice in cartoons, money, they just leave the money? Hey man, is this what you want? Oh no, this is for the old lady. This is for the dog lady. I'm tripping. That's for the dog, the fortune teller dog, the Chihuahua. Yeah. I still gotta give somebody my fucking money. Man, courage. The things you do for love, boy. All right, lady, I got your money.
Don't you have anything bigger?
What?
It will have to do.
Well, we know what I did to get that money. What am I supposed to do now? A bottle. What am I supposed to do with a bottle? Okay. That's gotta be what I gotta use as glasses for this damn bottle. I think. That's the only other thing it could be. Yes.
Get the dog.
Oh, that's Eustace? Eustace. Oh, somebody's outside the fucking gate. I saw somebody standing outside the door. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, now what? Eustace's soul. I don't water Eustace. So I'll take Eustace's soul back to the lady because she had a question mark over her head. Still a blood moon. Okay, lady, help me with his soul.
This stupid one. He's stupid, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now what? She just takes him? What the fuck? Bitch. So I'm gonna go outside, something else is gonna change, huh? Yeah, the music just changed. Something's gonna happen. Oh shit! I thought that was a cutscene. He didn't. He ran me over. Oh shit! Oh, he hit the. Where the ghost pirate people at? Oh man, he fucking the house up now. I thought the pirate ghost was supposed to come out with some. Oh man, this boy can't drive. Oh, he locked the basement. He locked the basement over us. What am I supposed to do? Oh shit. I thought once you knocked the windmill over, it was supposed to be ghost pirates. This nigga fucking up everything. Oh, am I supposed to get useless cards? Oh shit. This nigga here crazy. Oh shit. Look at the zigzag. Oh, he coming. He coming, y'all. Oh, get up, courage, get up. Jump. Oh, come on, courage, get up. Oh, I died. Yo, I thought this was a cutscene, y'all. I watched the car drive towards me. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Go, go! This nigga here crazy. Yeah. Am I supposed to pull him out? Oh, get up! I have nothing that can help me. Oh, okay. I didn't even peep that first time. No! Courage! Courage, come on, man! Courage, no! I don't know what I'm supposed to do, buddy. Oh! Okay. Back to the barn. Come on, back to the barn. The headlights! The headlights! No! Come on, courage! You didn't broke the. Oh shit! What am I supposed to do? No! Courage! Get up, courage! Ah, man, what am I supposed to do? This is insane. What am I supposed to do? You're fucking up everything. It don't make no sense, because I'm not supposed to go in the house. She's gone. Oh shit, he coming. Okay. I should be safe in here, right? Oh shit, he broke it down. No, courage, no. Courage. Get up, man. You got this, bro. You hit every object there is to hit in the backyard. Bro, what the fuck, bro? This nigga just fucking courage up. What am I supposed to do? I swear it's gotta have something to do with this. crazy, yo. It's fucking my nigga courage up. Oh, man. Like, there's literally nowhere for me to go. Look at this nigga, yo. Like, I don't know what to do. Oh man, like I don't know what to do. He didn't crash up everything I can let him crash up. He's running around in a Homer Simpson car. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Damn, this fucking courage up, bro. The car should be broke all up by now. Oh shit. Oh, am I supposed to just break the car up? Ah, you keep killing me. What is it I'm supposed to do? I know y'all try to hear me say that, but I really can't figure it out. Like, is he supposed to run into the door or something like that? Oh, man. So is he supposed to run into the door? No, what the fuck? Oh, this is crazy, yo. Am I supposed to just... This is insane. Like, what am I supposed to... Fuck it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make them break everything over here. Because the car keeps getting damaged, so the car gotta break. You know what I'm saying? Like, see how the car keeps getting damaged? Come on, you bitch. Ah, what the fuck? It's like somebody's angry baby mama trying to run him down with the car. Get in there, give me courage. Get in there. Oh, I can see the headlights. Fuck. Yeah, see? I knew it. I gotta break up the car. That motherfucker's smoking now. Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it. I did it. I did it, y'all. Ooh. I tried that too. Bend it, man. Oh shit, he in the house with the car. Oh fuck no. He fucking up our house. He fucking up our house. He can't go upstairs though. Yeah, he can't. Oh shit. Bro, what did I do to piss this nigga off? Oh my goodness. Bro, what the fuck? The basement. He covered the basement. Oh man, what am I supposed to do? Go, Courage, go! That was a little dramatic. He's outside with the car though. What do I do? What do I do? At least the whole house didn't fall down. Okay, house broken. Okay. Wait. Am I tripping? Okay. Oh shit. Oh, I thought he hit me from the side. I thought he T-boned me. Bro, what did I ever do to you, bro? What's the issue? Oh no, we outside with him. Oh. Where did that piano come from? Oh shit. Oh, that's laugh now, cry later people. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Yeah, nigga, you put me through hell for the past 2 days playing this game. Bitch, oh, I knew I could bonk you. I knew I could bonk your mother. Get some courage. Get some, you don't even want you to watch me do it. Did you thought this was fucking my house up? Whose car is that? You stole Homer Simpson's car. Bitch. Now where does the key go to? The whole house fucked up. Where could this key go to? Oh, the chest in her room. This bitch left when that car started going crazy. She came back. They ain't give a nigga no health, bro. And the health that I did pick up, it won't work. Whoever developed this game got some things they need to work. Oh, bathroom key. What's his bedroom key? What? Bedroom key. But I can't get in the house. The house is destroyed. I mean, I guess I can go upstairs from how? I don't know. Where's me mallet? Oh, okay. No, okay. Am I supposed to jump on this nigga head? He bounces me up. No. Man, stop your bitching. Bedroom key. How do I get in the bedroom? Oh, you can get in the house. I walked up to the door. They didn't have a. When the music gets like this, you know something's about to happen. Oh shit. Hallelujah.
I have a bad feeling about this. Well, my name is Ivana, and it's not. Oh!
He said, shimmy to the left, shimmy to the right, shake it to the right.
Courage. Closer. Closer.
You won't get away with this!
Oh yeah? What are you gonna do about it?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Ha!
Rullabaloo, rowdy roo, rory rock, rock, rimba roo, rory rock, rippity roo, rip him in the wristband, roo.
Kick him in the wristband, rule.
Call that an incantation?
What the fuck? Oh, I'm possessed. I'm possessed. What am I supposed to do? I don't have any mallet. This is ridiculous. There is not one puzzle, it's another. Oh, punch out the demon? Wow. I would have never thought to do that in a million years. Hell yeah. Flush this nigga down the toilet. Bitch ass nigga. Somebody.
Were you okay?
I've been
Okay,
disconnected.
I will unleash forces. These are powerful forces. Very powerful. So it begins.
What the fuck? It's gonna have uses of soul.
Muriel, I'm
knew it.
hungry. Muriel! Ooga booga booga!
Oh, they sharing a body?
What did I do? Well, I'm not putting up with this. If they got Muriel, they're gonna pay. In cash. Lots of
What?
cash.
Nigga, that's your wife. Look at the cleanup crew. Yeah, get his ass up out of here. Is that Flan? Oh, that was the Flan. Bye, Fantasy Flan. Bye, Fantasy Flan. Yep, I knew it. That's it? That was it, I guess, guys. I thought it was the whole return to slide and everything. I guess not.